Hey friends, if Windows keeps changing the power plan in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So we have a command for you to reset the default scheme. Ideally, I would have asked you to do it through the power options menu, but that does it for individual power plans, and then you'll have to do it individually for all. So just run this command. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here, hit enter. The next one is an SFC scan. Why? Because it could have been caused by broken and corrupt files. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. How would you perform a clean boot on your system? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the last solution is a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Now you can click on next and then select full scan. Click on next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.